There's a big misconception that high-performance homes are too expensive. But when you look at the numbers, actual energy savings, maintenance costs, and long-term comfort, it's clear that the investment does pay for itself. Today, we're busting that myth and showing you why a high-performance home is the smarter choice financially. Most Australian homes aren't built with energy efficiency in mind. The average home leaks air at 15 air changes per hour, up to a whopping 40 plus air changes an hour. That's like leaving windows open 24/7 all year round.
That means you're paying to heat and cool the air that just escapes. And if you add up those losses, the typical homeowner is spending thousands more in energy bills over 10 years than they need to.
Not all homes are created equal. Why airtight homes should be the standard. Traditional homes often face issues like drafts and poor energy efficiency. Airtight homes, on the other hand, use advanced materials and techniques to address these problems. I'm going to show you the difference between insulation in a volume build home versus the insulation in a high performance home. Okay, so as you can see here, we are in the master bedroom. We are sitting at about 11.5 degrees, which is pretty chilly for being inside the home. What I'm doing here is I'm just moving to the corner of the room, and you can see how that is blue, which means that there's no insulation there. So there is a gap coming right down there. Having a break in your insulation is not what you want to see. Plus, because traditional homes aren't airtight, they rely on oversized heating and cooling units. A standard home might need a 10 to 15 kilowatt heating system, while a high-performance home only needs around 2 kilowatt. That's an 80% reduction in demand. With high-performance homes, we design the energy efficiency from the start. Tools like passive house modelling let us predict energy use before the home is even built, making sure we get the best balance of insulation, airtightness, and solar gain. So here we are at our high performance home in Mount Dunedin. What we're going to do today is be showing you our continuous insulation in the home. What we're also looking for is the degrees. So we've got our FLIR infrared camera. It is going to show us if there's any cold spots in the home or any missing insulation. Remembering the traditional home that we already filmed was sitting around that 13 to 14 degree mark when we put the FLIR on the walls. So let's check out these ones and see what we come up with. And as you can see, it is sitting at 18.6, 18.7 degrees, which is absolutely perfect. See how we're getting all of this beautiful yellow here, and we're not really seeing, that's obviously not a cold spot, that's going into the hallway. So here is our wall here, and what we're making sure is that there's no dark blue cold spots or that the camera's not dropping too much in its temperature. So sitting at 18.8 degrees, and amazingly we have some really great continuous insulation here. So that's the difference right then and there. And what we always say is you need to pay for the stuff that you don't see. So getting inspectors to check your insulation and making sure it's continuous is all going to go towards a beautifully thermally comfortable home.
We don't just throw materials together and hope for the best. Every decision is backed by data. For example, swapping from standard double glazed windows to a UPVC low-E triple glazed unit can cut heating demand by up to 22%.
And it's not just about windows. Research from the Passive House Institute confirms that even a 1% gap in insulation can reduce thermal performance by 10%. So every detail matters. That's why we use Proclimer vapor permeable membranes and conduct blower door testing to achieve under 2 ACH in this home.
Here's another way to look at it. If you pair a high-performance home with an 8.8 kilowatt solar system, you're producing more power than you use annually. This means most of the year you're running your home for free, even with an electric car plugged in.
It's like installing your own power station on your roof. Traditional homes can't compete with that level of efficiency, and energy prices aren't going down anytime soon. When you look at the big picture, high-performance homes aren't expensive. They are smarter investments. Lower running costs, better comfort, healthier air quality, and a home that actually holds its value.
And the best part, you don't have to take our word for it. We've got the numbers, the test, and the results to back it up. If you're thinking about building, let's chat, because a high-performance home is an investment that pays off every single day.
Visit www.zelenahomes.com.au to learn more or reach out to us directly. We'd love to help you build a home that works for you, not against you.